Diwali quiz. Metals, my specialty. Bronze puja bell, iron kadhai. Go on, test me.
Fine. Why ring a bronze bell for puja but cook only in iron?
Well, obviously, because everyone's staring now. Give me a second, okay? Okay, easy. Iron is basically just a fancier, harder bronze. Same metal, slightly upgraded grade. Both are greyish metals. Both get hammered into tools. Both wear down. Nani just grabbed the tougher twin.
Bold claim, Avi. The whole table heard it. So, bronze and iron are just twins? Final answer?
A fine theory, beta. But tell me, if they were truly twins, why did your ancestors bother switching at all? Because iron's tougher, sir. It lasts longer. So people upgraded the way we swap a cracked bat for a solid one.
Tougher, maybe. But bronze needs copper and tin, hauled from far mines. What does iron ore need exactly?
Iron ore's everywhere. Copper and tin aren't. So iron's cheaper, sure. But cheaper metal, same tool, na? Doesn't change what it does. Cheaper. Hold on to that, beta. But same uses? Picture Nani clearing the thorny backfield. Her bronze blade meets that rock-hard ground. Then what? Okay, so the way I see it, it bends or bounces off. Bronze is too soft for ground that hard.
So your whole answer is iron is harder. That's it? That's why an entire age changed?
Fine, iron cuts the hard ground bronze can't. So it's just a better cutter? That has to be the answer. So close, beta. You found the door, but not the room. Harder is true, yet it's the smallest part of the story. Watch closely. Iron isn't a posher bronze. It's the first metal cheap enough for an ordinary farmer to own. Take one farmer, one iron plough. It tears through the baked soil, your bronze blade just bounced off. So that dead field nobody could break before, now it actually grows green. And because iron is cheap, it's not one farmer, it's every farmer. Fields spread across the whole plain. Soon, they grow more grain than they can eat. That extra stored away is a food surplus. Wait, if the bins are overflowing, then not everyone has to farm anymore. Some hands are suddenly free. Exactly. Free hands become soldiers, potters, traders, builders, and villages swell into walled cities. Historians call it the Second Urbanisation. So basically, cheap iron grows extra food frees people, and free people fill up a city. Nani, iron got cheap enough for every ordinary home. That's how it reached your kadhai, not just a soldier's blade.
Convenient. 1 hour ago, this bronze bell and that iron kadhai were just twins.
Bronze was always scarce, so it stayed precious, the puja bell. Iron got cheap and everywhere, so it became the everyday kadhai. They were never twins. But when the new bazaar fills with strangers, how does anyone pay? Drop your guess in the comments. Then watch how a small stamped coin solved it in the next video. Iron tools break hard soil and clear forests bronze never could. Cheap, abundant iron puts a plough in every farmer's hands. Surplus grain frees people to build the cities of the Second Urbanisation.